Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to work in our letter book KQ. Pause the video, get your workbook and a pencil now. Good job boys and girls. We're going to complete pages 7 and 8 today. These are simple handwriting pages, so they're not going to require a lot of instruction for you guys. But let's talk about again and review how to correctly write upper and lowercase q. What does the letter Q say, boys and girls? Qua, qua. Good job. Letter Q makes the qua, qua sound that you hear at the beginning of words like queen, quilt, and quack. Let's practice writing capital Q. Capital Q is going to start and finish at the top writing line. You are going to start at the red line. You're going to make a big circle going all the way back around, just like you would do a capital O. Only Q has a kickstand coming from the middle of it to make sure that that O does not roll away off of the page. I want you to practice Q by tracing slowly each of the Q's that were written for you, starting at the top, circling all the way back around, and then giving the Q its kickstand. Next, you're going to start on each dot and make your own Q's, circling up and around, back to the circle, and then giving it its kickstand. Boys and girls, every one of these letters should be about the same size and formed the same way. Go slow and have your parents check when you are finished. The next thing you're going to do, boys and girls, is you're going to turn one page and we're going to practice writing lowercase q. Lowercase q is formed like a lowercase a, only this letter has a hook that drops down below the writing line. So you do your A motion by circling around, coming up into a kickstand, but that kickstand's going to drop down below the writing line into a hook as if you were fishing. Let's practice a few times together on the grade letters. I want you to trace each lowercase q on your own. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to form your own letter Q, each one on these dots. Watch again, boys and girls. This letter does drop below the writing line, so you do not want to make your Q like that. That is not correct. You also don't want to make it here on the writing line. Every one of them should start on the black dot, curve up to the yellow middle line, around with the kickstand that drops down below. Practice slowly, boys and girls, making sure your hook goes the correct way. Otherwise, your letter might look like a G. This is a lowercase g. This is a lowercase q. Every one of yours needs to look like this. You're going to finish this page by giving Miss Brockman a pattern of upper and lowercase q's. Don't forget to show this page to your parents for a smiley face. Good job.